Hello and welcome to explanation video in which we are going to show what are the break of structure and change of character points and when they are created. Let's start with break of structure point. First, we are going to show it on a simple uptrend example. The price is drawing bullish pullback, following with the bearish and again bullish. The end of bearish pullback is inducement point. All details about what is inducement and how it is formed can be found in our last video. We see the price going down, and if the price level goes below the price of inducement point, which happens now, we get the break of structure point and the new higher high point. This is now the highest point of the uptrend movement, and if the market wants to continue the direction, the price level must overcome this point. At this moment, the price level is overcoming the break of structure point, which leads us to the next term called change of character. In uptrend, like in this example, the bottom of the movement which swept the inducement and overcome the break of structure point is called change of character point. Here we are also getting the new higher low point. This is the price limit in case if the price level drops below it, the change of market trend will happen, in this case from uptrend to downtrend. The principle is the same as in uptrend. When the price level dropped below the change of character point, at the last higher high point, there is a change from break of structure to change of character. Also, the inducement is formed, but in this case now, from the right hand side, this is now the downtrend. All of this information is conducted in the world-class SMC indicator. Indicator is automatically highlighting break of structure and change of character points. Let's switch to the market chart to see indicator in action. To add the indicators to your chart, click on the indicator button, then under the Invite tab, select the world-class SMC and Impulse Correction Mapper. Both of the indicators will be visible in the top left corner. For the purpose of the demonstration, indicator market analysis start point has been adjusted to start analyzing from highlighted candle. We see printing of bullish market trend, and at the very moment, Impulse Correction Mapper has highlighted the valid pullback. Next, bullish candle is overcoming the previously created highest point, and at the end of the last valid pullback, inducement is created. Further candles are creating more valid pullbacks and shift of inducement is occurring. Printed bearish candle has now collected the inducement and at the highest point, break of structure price level is formed. Still, at the bottom of the movement, change of character point is present. At the moment when the new high point is created, inducement is formed at the end of the last valid pullback. In addition to inducement creation, when the break of structure point is broken, change of character price level has shifted to the lowest point of the pullback which collected the inducement. Again, inducement is being shifted after forming the new pullbacks. At the very moment, inducement is collected and we are getting the break of structure point at the newly created highest point, or in other words, at the end of the last pullback. Change of character point stays at the same location. Next bearish candle only sweeps the change of character point and does not break it with the full candle body. This means that change of character point is just shifting downwards to the tip of the candle wick. Several pullbacks are created between the change of character and break of structure point. This is the inner structure and we will talk about it in one of the next videos. Change of character is again shifted to the lowest tip of the candle wick, but now the candle is breaking the price level with the body. At that moment, break of structure point, which was at the top, is changing to change of character because the market is shifting from bullish to bearish trend. In addition, Inducement is created at the end of the last valid pullback. With further creation of pullbacks, inducement is shifting to the end of the pullback from which the newest lowest point is created. The same pattern is present again. Inducement is being shifted to the end of the last valid pullback when we got the new lowest point. To summarize, break of structure point is created after the sweep of inducement. Change of character point is created after the break of structure is broken by candle's close price, or in other words, with candle body. Thank you and good luck to everybody.